Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I will bake this awesome banana bread without sugar, and I want to show you how I made it step by step. We have here flour, 200 grams or 1 cup and 1/3, and I use all-purpose flour. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, vanilla extract. I will add a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I don't have buttermilk. I will use yogurt, and I have here about 80 grams or 1/3 of a cup. I have walnuts, 1/4 or 30 grams, 3 super ripe bananas, and instead of sugar I'm gonna use Splenda or stevia, 20 grams or half a cup. So flour, Splenda or stevia, baking powder, baking soda, and walnuts. I will add a pinch of salt. When you mix walnuts with flour, this means the walnuts will not set at the bottom of the pan. Okay, bananas. These are super sweet. So if you bought too many, use some to make banana bread and use the rest to freeze them up, peel them, put them in Ziploc bags or freezer bags, and peel them and place them in the freezer, and you can have them for smoothies or for ice creams. Okay, I'll pour the yogurt. You can use buttermilk, vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Mix this again. Of course, you can use all-purpose flour. I use whole grain because this is gonna be even tastier. Like this, see? Yummy! This smells amazing. Perfect, because it's too long, and I will have a thin loaf. If I make it shorter, it's gonna be higher. Will be this. Perfect. It looks like this, so I have to take it out. It's super hot. I'll take these. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you see this? Do you see this? How soft it is? We have to have some butter in here. We have to have some butter. So this is what I did. I really hope you're gonna try this recipe because it's delicious, easy to prepare and healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time here with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.